You must have an immune, and you must have a gut to live. It's not an inflammatory issue, it's a gut issue. Everything is in your gut. A lot of health issues happens because your gut is dirty, your intestines is dirty, your stomach is unhealthy. It cannot fight off any disease. Hey guys, this video will be about anti-inflammatory supplements, which I enjoy taking, and I believe you will too. These supplements delivers everything your body needs to start healing itself, removing the toxin from the body and giving it the nutrients that it needs, and of course, boosting up your immune system. Before we get into the supplements, let's talk about inflammation. The body has its natural way of defending itself against tissue damages, viruses, bacteria. It's a defense response governed by primarily the immune system. When the immune response isn't enough to clear those viruses and those bacteria, at that point the inflammation happens and all other health issues comes after, right? Your immune is everything. Your gut is the answer to every health problem. There are 4 types of inflammation that you can feel and see: the redness of it, the heat, the swelling, and the pain. Inflammation has also emerged as a key factor in serious diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, diabetes, chronic inflammation, bowel disease, and varieties of infectious disease, including HIV, AIDS. So all are results of a weakened immune system. Even if it's a genetic component response, it's because the immune system is weak. Inflammation can happen anywhere in your body: your brain, your neck, your breast, your stomach, your back, your arms, your legs, your feet, literally anywhere. How can we prevent and reverse an illness? It is through your lifestyle. What you eat every day, how you feel every day. Are you taking the time to pray? Are you taking the time to meditate every day? Have you had the time out for yourself? Do you take care of yourself? Every single day, your body needs your attention. Remember, your mind is what the mind is fed, and your body is what your body is fed. In order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, in order to build up your immune system, in order to fight off these diseases, it's literally in what you do every single day. This is serious. Listen up. A lot of us are sick because we are neglecting our mind health, we are neglecting our body health, we are neglecting our organs. And we eat and drink anything at any time, and our mind is suppressed of the weight of everything that goes around us every single day. Remember, everything is connected. So if your immune is your defense mechanism and you understand that it is your lifeline, like 70% of your immune system is in your gut, is in your small intestines, right? So we have to be intentional in what we do every single day. We have to be intentional of our lifestyle and the choices that we make and in the environment that we in every single day. You must have an immune and you must have a gut to live. It's not an inflammatory issue, it's a gut issue. Everything is in your gut. A lot of health issues happens because your gut is dirty, your intestines is dirty, your stomach is unhealthy. It cannot fight off any disease. Probiotic is for your gut and it's for your immune health. I take Atomy probiotic every day, sometimes twice a day. I either take it and dump it in my mouth or I drink it with water. Atomy probiotic has prebiotics in there, which is the food for the probiotic. So it has living organisms, all right? So probiotic needs energy to travel. So now this is where the prebiotics come in. The prebiotics is the fuel that the probiotic need in order to get the job done. So if you purchase a probiotic and it does not have prebiotics in there, you just wasted your money, right? Know that yogurts do not have enough probiotics in there unless if you're adding onto it, all right? This probiotic is the best brand. It's #1. It has 10 billion CFUs, 12 probiotic strains, and 3 types of prebiotics, right? Take this probiotic to manage your lifestyle. The body is designed to heal itself if you are putting the right thing in it. Now let's talk about the second supplement, HemoHim. HemoHim is an organic supplement and it is a superfood. It's liquid and it's easily consumed. It will power charge your immune system. It will wake up any dead cell. It will help your body to fight again. Like, this is a must-have, all right? HemoHim has anti-inflammatory properties in it, and it has been scientifically proven that this supplement, literally, what it does, it boosts up your immune system. I take HemoHim every single day on an empty stomach. This supplement is a must-have. Check out my video after this video on HemoHim. Click on the link ahead. Now, the third supplement that helps with inflammation is Alaska E Omega 3. Alaska E Omega 3 has anti-inflammatory properties in there. It helps with pain as well. It is good for you. It's good for your eyes, your brain, your heart, your arteries, right? Several studies have evaluated that omega-3 supplements helps in preventing heart disease, cancer, and other conditions related to inflammation. If you take probiotics, omega-3, HemoHim every day for a healthier diet and a better lifestyle, you for sure will see results. Look out on my next video on different anti-inflammatory smoothies and drinks that you will enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy these supplements. If you like this video, help me out by giving me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Feel free to share in the comments below your favorite supplements. Changing our bad habits or a messed up lifestyle into good takes a certain amount of intentionality and willpower. But it's not something we can ultimately do on our own, let's be honest, right? We cannot do this on our own strength. This is where God comes in. Only God can transform us. He will help if you are willing. Willing requires action. Love you guys. Until next time.